Vlogmas. Yeah, I am on the road, as you can tell. I am actually heading to Temecula for a wine tour. And I figured I'd just get on here and talk a little bit. My mom has pretty much passed the torch, and she is no longer head of holiday activities. Not that she was really big on holiday activities, but I feel like as the eldest daughter, as, you know, the matriarch of my own family, having holiday traditions pinned down, having certain recipes pinned down, and just being able to deliver on those things, that baton has officially been passed, and your girl is now in charge, is essentially what my mother has told me. Mind you, I have been making gumbo with my mom for maybe the last, like, let's say, consistently for the last 3 to 5 years, roughly. And recently, in one of my past vlogs, I did the whole, like, you know, family gumbo recipe from scratch for the first time completely by myself. And that was really in preparation for this moment. She told me these exact words. She said, "I'm not doing this anymore. Going forward, it's on you." I used to be able to show up to holidays, maybe bring a couple of items and not feel like I had to be in charge. Now, yeah, it is now on me to create those holidays, to create those traditions, and to keep them going, and to make sure that, you know, we have the fixings. And it's not just food, you know, it's the vibe, it's the energy. We've eaten at my house before, but now I'm in charge of hosting. Like, okay, I think I got this. But it's just one of those things where I'm like, I can't believe this is happening. And I want to make sure that I do it right, but also I want to make sure that I add my own flair to it, right? Doing Vlogmas has really pushed me to be more proactive about what we do as we bring in the holidays. So since I have this schedule planned out for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and knowing that I have a little bit of time before I step away for my birthday trip, I have to be very intentional about every day that passes by. So that has forced me to pre-plan a lot of our family activities. There's layers to this, but I'm excited. This is going to be my first year, and yeah, I mean, I've already decorated my house. I'm on top of things. We got our matching pajamas. Having to plan all this stuff in advance and being on top of it. But I got this, you got this, we got this. And yeah, if you're also going through the same thing this year, drop a comment, because I would love to hear from you. This is like, yeah, this is different. We're gonna get through it though, we're gonna get through it. With that being said, happy Vlogmas, and I will see you in the next vlog.